AI video generation isn't a future concept. It's a tool that is changing creative jobs right now. What if you could cut your video ad production costs by up to 90%? Some agencies already are. And cost isn't the only factor. Projects that once took weeks of planning, shooting, and editing are now being completed from start to finish in a matter of minutes. This isn't just a tech update. We'll show you how roles are evolving, what skills you'll need, and where the new opportunities are. So, how is this massive shift in cost and speed even possible? It starts by altering the creative workflow itself. First, AI automates the grunt work. Repetitive tasks like resizing, versioning, and initial edits are now handled by the machine. This automation also democratizes production. High-quality video is no longer gate-kept by big budgets or niche skills. This empowers smaller teams. But it begs the question, if machines are doing the production, what is left for creative professionals? The answer isn't replacement. Think of this technology not as a competitor, but as a creative accelerator. It handles the how, so you can focus on the what and the why, the core idea, the strategy, and the story. So, what's left for professionals is the most valuable part: strategic vision. The industry is reorganizing around orchestration. Here's a prime example: rapid creative testing. Before this technology, testing multiple ad variations was slow and expensive. Now, you can generate dozens of versions with different hooks or visuals in minutes and let real data guide your decisions. Your job is no longer just creator, it's optimizer and scientist, iterating your work based on measurable performance. This same principle applies to personalization at scale. Instead of one ad for everyone, you can create tailored versions for any segment. The new human skill is managing a complex web of targeted messages while maintaining brand consistency. A strategic, not manual task. So let's get specific. How does this redefine your actual job title? We'll look at a few key roles right now. For video editors, AI becomes a power-up. It automates tedious tasks like cutting silences, freeing you for storytelling. Graphic designers shift from creating every asset to becoming visual strategists, directing the AI and curating its output. Beyond role evolution, we're seeing the birth of entirely new jobs, like AI marketing strategist or AI content specialist. The common thread? A move away from the keyboard and mouse and toward the strategic whiteboard and high-level direction. But before we assume AI can do it all, we must address its biggest weakness. The most advanced models can lack a certain soul. AI struggles with deep emotional nuance and cultural context. It can replicate a style, but it cannot originate a feeling. This gap demands a human in the loop for more than just creativity. Ethical oversight is required to ensure accuracy and brand safety. Remember that rapid testing we talked about? That speed is a huge advantage, but without a human guardian, it's also a fast way to damage a brand. So if your value is now strategy, direction, and oversight, what new concrete skills do you actually need to develop right now? The first is prompt engineering. This is the art of giving the AI clear, specific instructions. It's the new language of creative direction. A great prompter acts as a director, guiding the AI's performance. This is how that virtual director role we mentioned becomes a reality. Second is sharp data analysis. All that rapid testing generates a mountain of performance data. You need the skills to interpret it. It's no longer about only creative skills or only technical skills. The future belongs to those who can blend both effectively. So, will AI redefine your job? Absolutely. But it is not a story of replacement. It's a shift from executor to architect. That 90% cost reduction and speed increase isn't eliminating value. It's liberating you from manual labor to focus on what humans do best. The professionals who succeed in this new era, will be the ones who treat AI as a powerful collaborator, not a competitor. Start now. Learn to write effective prompts. Sharpen your data skills. Experiment with the tools. Don't just watch the future of your job unfold. Start defining it.